Every time one of these AI rare bird videos gets posted, it instantly stops people from scrolling. And the reason is simple. Nobody has seen anything like these birds before. This niche is still almost completely untapped, which means the opportunity to go viral is huge right now. Now watch what I just created with AI in under 5 minutes. Without wasting any more time, let's jump straight into the process. But before we begin, hit that subscribe button right now. Head over to the description below and open the detailed master prompt file I've prepared for you. Copy the entire prompt from beginning to end without leaving out a single word. Now open ChatGPT. Paste the complete prompt into the chat and hit enter. It will instantly generate a list of fictional rare bird names for you to choose from. Pick the one that looks the most unique and visually interesting to you. Copy the name, paste it back into the chat, and hit enter. ChatGPT will now create a detailed storyboard prompt specifically for your chosen bird. Copy the entire storyboard prompt. Next, open Google Flow and select the image option along with your preferred settings. Now, here's an important step. Make sure you choose Nano Banana Pro as your image model specifically for this part. Paste the storyboard prompt and click Generate. Within seconds, your storyboard image will be ready. Now click on the image, hit the 3 dots, and select Animate. In the video settings, choose the ingredients option first, then select OmniFlash as your video model. Go back to ChatGPT and ask, "Give me video script." Copy the complete video prompt and paste it right here. Hit Generate. And just a few seconds later, your complete AI rare bird video will be ready to share on social media. And that's the entire process. Let's create another one using the exact same workflow. Make sure to subscribe and like if this tutorial helped you.